Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to craft the Tidal Display Cabinet in Heartopia Colorful's event. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is one of the furnitures from the Colorful's event. If you want to unlock the recipe, you need to go to the Colorful's event menu and you need to reach level, hold on. You need to reach level 30 to get the Tidal Display Cabinet recipe. Make sure that you already reach level 30, and to level up your Call of Wolves event level, guys, you need to complete the weekly challenge and also the daily challenge. Okay, just keep doing the challenge and then you will get the recipe. And then I'm going to craft it with my workbench. Okay, this one, Tidal Display Cabinet, and you need timber, stone, roaming oak timber, and also the pearl oyster material pack. Okay, done. And let's see how it looks like. Oh, that's super cute. It's the same with the Tidal Display Cabinet at the Wolfwood Canyon when you go to the camp. Now you can unlock it and place it in your house after you reach level 30 in the Colorful's event. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the Tidal Display Cabinet in Heartopia Colorful's event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.